Hello everyone and welcome back to techystack channel. So today we'll try to explore one more new interview question. So the question will ask basically he will give the one number. For example, he will give the number 9 or 8, might be some double digit number also. For example, if you give the number 5, so okay, then my output should be the 5 4 3 2 1, next 4 3 2 1, and next 3 2 1 2 1 and 1. So this is my output should come like this. So as of now, I taken here 11 example. So if the user given by the 11, so then the output should be like this, one set, and another set is like this, and so on it keeping. So we'll try to explore how we can do with this UiPath. Okay. So for the first step, so we need to take as an activity. So in this as an activity, user will giving the input. So I will make one variable which we call user input. User input. Okay. In this input, I will give the some number as is 11. If you want, you can change whatever the number it's for. So it will work for the all the digits, 2 digits, 3 digits, whatever it may be. And I'm changing this variable type. This is to integer. Okay, and I will change your name as a sequence just for reference purpose. That's it. So the next step. So in the question itself, it's saying looping. So if we give the number 11, so I need to loop it. So first of all, we need to get this for each activity. So in this for each activity, how we can loop it first? For each. So I'm taking the for each activity. First of all, we'll try how to loop these 11 numbers. Okay. So if you want to loop that, so here one small query is, I mean, just a small syntax. So enumerable. So enumerable. So here. So enumerable dot range of. So I need to start from 1 to till 11. Comma. Here I will mention this number. So here I pass this variable. Okay, let me check. Okay, not number. So you're having the user input. So I need to pass that variable. So let me remove this and I will pass this user input. So now this is done. Later I will put the one message box. Just I will check whether I'm getting this message boxes 1 to 10 or not. So here I will mention this current item dot to string. Okay, this is one set is completed till we need to do another set. So as of now, it will work only for single 1 to 11. That's it. But here the concept is 11, 10 like that we need to come. So let me run. Just I'm checking whether I'm able to fetch this numbers or the 3, 7, and okay. So my numbers are coming. So this is fine. No problem. So the next first my total number is user input. So it will start from 1 until to end 11. Okay, next I will need to start one more take. I mean, I need to take one more for each activity. So let me take for each activity. So this for each activity use inside of that loop. Okay, here only we need to get number 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 like that we need to get. So here also I will take the same thing and I will paste here. Okay. Here also that's it. So now the next. So first time we need to loop for the 1 to 11. So if you observe here 1 to 11. So if it is come next time, it should repeat for only for the 1 to 10. Next it will came only repeat for the 9, 8, 7 like that. So for that purpose, I am taking one more as an activity. So let me take one more as an variable. So here I will make this variable as temp. So if you want, you can change it whatever the variable. So I will make this as temp and initially I will declare as 0. So let me declare as 0 and I will change this variable as this integer. So here we need to use all the integers only. Okay, now this is done. So here every time it will come decreasing of that numbers and here we need to add one user input 11 minus. So what is my temp? So I need to pass this temp variable. Okay, this is done. So I will just take one more message box just for looking purpose only. Let me drag and drop and here I will make it as current item dot to. Okay, once this is done, I need to increment after this for each loop. So if you consider this is for each one loop, so just for variations purpose, I declare as for each one and two. So this is for two. Okay, so I need to keep the increment outside of this second for each. It means directly inside of the for each. So I will just update here because every time my temp counter will be increase plus 1. This is done. So now I will just run only couple of the things, and later we will explore this final part. So till here that 50 to 80% is completed, and next we need to reduce the 7 other than 20%. So we'll try to export that as well. So here 1, 2. So first 1 to 11 is done. So next it should only repeat for the 10 items. So 1, 2. So this will 10 also done. Now I will check only for the 9 and I will stop this part. So I'm getting 9 also. So now till this part is done. So here we need to know what is happening. It's happening the numbers. I'm getting the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But here the problem is I need to reverse. Okay, I need to get the first number as 11 and second number as 9, 10, third number as 11, 10, 9, like that we need to go. So for that, what I will do now, I will declare one more variable. Okay, and I will make this as temp1, and I will make this as a 0, and we need to change this variable type as well. So here I'm taking all are the integers. So why I taken this again one more variable. So based on this variable only, we are getting that number 11, 9, like that. So now we need to go to here. Okay, first of all, in the message box, what it will get. So we'll get the total number is, what is our total number is number. So not the number. So user input. So in user input, I'm getting the total numbers 11. After this, I need to minus with temp. So next time what it will come, first of all, it will start for 11. Next tempo, it will increase now. So it will 11 minus 1, 10. Like that it will increment. And again, I will make it temp 1. So this temp 1 grouping of the inside. So let me take one more assign activity. Sorry. So here I will increment this temp 1. Okay, this one. So this temp 1 anyway it's 0. So if you want, you can put this as here. Anything is fine, no problem. I will put here. So this temp 1 based on only. So I will break till here and I will show that. So let me put the breakpoint. So here only the simple logic. First username input is 11 and temp is 0 initially, and temp 1 also initially it's 0. When it come for the second loop, it will increment. So now check this. Let me show here. So user input. So user input 11 and temp also 0. Temp 1 also 0. So now when I go topward. So last time which number you got? 10. Now which number you got? Sorry, last time you got 11. Now you got the 10 number. So when I go and check here again, the same thing. So the temp 1 will be increased. It will 1 and temp is standard. It will change after this loop. Okay, let me stop this. So we'll explore for 2 rounds. So let me keep breakpoint here and I will run. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So one set is completed. So now when I check here temp, it will got increment. So when I check now, it starts from the 10, 9, 8, 7. So like that way we can execute. Now I will remove this message box. So instead of this message box, I will make it as log message and I will show the, I will run end to end at once and I will show the output. So let me copy this and I will make this as log or fatal, whatever it may be. So I will make it as info. Let me remove this and I remove. So now entire code has been built. So what we did, so input user, basically we declare the three variables. So one is a user variable and temp one is our purpose, temp as our code purpose. So first we kept a one loop. So this is loop, this loop for the user input. So user will give some random number 11 or 12, whatever it may be. So it will loop that. So 1 to 11. After this inside, we kept one more for each condition. So this condition only, it will increase or decrease the count numbers. So as of now, this part we using only for the decreasing that number. So now I will run end to end. We'll see the output. So if you want, you can export to Notepad or Excel file, whatever it may be, you can export to later. So now I will run end to end, and we can see this output here. So now execution has been completed. I am showing this output. Let me scroll up. So let me go the top. So what I said, so our number should be start from 11. So this is 11 to 1, and next here 10, 10 to 1. So if you see here 9, okay, 987654321, and similar way we got all the numbers. So if you check here, all the numbers got it. So at last also 1 2. This is the one. So this is a way how we can explore that things.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.